Hello, how are you doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is John's Empire. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make a YouTube intro or outro. Intros are just for building your brand. They are just visuals which mark the beginning or the end of any video. So, stick with me and you learn how you can create an intro. That's the app we are going to be using, Intro Maker, Intube Intro Maker. Check for it on Play Store. That's the app we are going to use. So let's open it and I show you how you are going to use it. This application is free. It is free and it's available on Play Store. You just download it and once you open it, this is how it looks like once you open it. So I'm going to be showing you how you use this application to come up with an amazing intro or outro. All those you see are just layouts. The layouts, you just choose any layout you want to use. So let me look for a perfect one. Hope this one may work. So you change the title, as you can see. You even change the colors. Here we just do some simple editing by replace those titles without words, then the subtitles without words. Then we change the background colors, we change the text colors as well, so that we come up with the perfect intro. So easy. Just follow the steps I'm showing you here. As you can see, we are just changing the colors and the texts. Just change. Okay. Here below you can see we are going to change the size and the position. Then you tap on the background. You tap on background and choose any background of your choice. There are very many backgrounds, as you can see. Those are dynamic backgrounds. You can as well use a video background. Any video, in case you created a video for yourself, you can use any image, solid or a gradient. It depends on your preference. So let me choose from these dynamic backgrounds. As you can see, they are free to use. And please, if it is your first time to be on this channel, please, I kindly request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do it for me. Subscribe for more future videos and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. So do that for me. Subscribe to me for more future videos like this one. Okay. We are done now with our intro. We are done creating. Now you tap on export. Under export, we are going to choose that option of 1080 pixels because we want a high quality video. We want a video which is of high quality. We want our intro to be of high quality. So it's going to take some little few minutes, like 3 minutes. So let's give it time and we wait for it to complete saving. Then after saving, I will show you the video or our intro which we have created. So stick with me till the end of this video. intro has been successfully saved. So we are going to close here, and then we check for it from our files, and we check for it, then you see how it will look like. So let's check for our intro, which we have just created. Okay, so this is the intro. This is what we have created. That's what we have created. So that's our intro. That's our intro. You can modify it. You can modify it by adding some background music. You can add some background music, then you use it in your videos. In case you follow the same procedures, you create your intro, then you use them in your videos. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Keep watching my videos. I sign out.